Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video we will explore how to use cancellation tokens in .NET Minimal API to improve performance. We will work on a small project to demonstrate how to handle client request cancellation in long-running tasks like file processing or data aggregation. This project is a minimal API called Cancellation Token Minimal API, specifically designed to showcase how to handle cancellation in long-running process. It contains two simple endpoints: process file, which simulate a file processing operation, and a minimal API called aggregate data, which simulates a data aggregation task. Both endpoints include cancellation support to stop operation in progress when a client request disconnects or is cancelled. The process file endpoint represents a fake file processing task that takes some time to complete. It periodically checks the cancellation token for cancellation requests. If the client cancels the operation midway, the task stops immediately and cleans up without throwing an error. The aggregate endpoint simulates a long-running operation that aggregates data in 5 steps. Unlike the process file endpoint, here we are using a feature called ThrowIfCancellationRequested. This automatically throws an exception when cancellation happens, stopping the operation. Each time it loops, it checks the token and throws an exception if the request is cancelled. This simplifies the code and is great when an immediate termination of a process is acceptable. Okay, let's test our API. I am using Postman because it's very easy to run and cancel a request. I will run the APIs twice, the first time without cancelling the request and the second time cancelling the request. If this video was helpful to you, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.